Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.8, Problem 2. This is Section 1.8, Problem 2. It says Carol and Jim are throwing a party. They want to be able to serve 24 hot dogs at the party. If 8 hot dogs come in a package, how many packages do they need to buy? Well, you could go at this a few different ways. So one package will give 8 hot dogs. And you can just keep going. 2 packages would be 8 more. So that's 16 hot dogs. 3 packages would be 8 more, and there's the 24. So where we have 3 packages to hit our goal, that's a pretty feasible method of doing it. But let's say it's a lot more. Let's say they wanted to serve 240 hot dogs. That's not really a good system to use. 24, it works fine. But bigger than 24, it doesn't really work. So really, a better way to do it is divide the 8 hot dogs per package into the total of 24 that they want to serve. And as you do that division, you'll see that it goes in 3 times. That's a better way. That works for very big values of how many hot dogs they'd want to sell. This is okay for a small number. This works better.